Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today we're going to be making a dessert called strawberries with cream. Here are all the ingredients. First, we have 1 cup of strawberries. Next, we have some whipped cream. Next, we have some sugar. Start with the strawberries. First, I'm going to take the strawberries and put them in this big bowl. Second, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. Okay, so right now let's mix it so that the strawberries are gonna be evened. Okay, so right now I'm done with evening the sugar on the strawberries. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 15 minutes. Right now it's been 15 minutes. So I'm going to put 1.5 cup of whipped cream inside our strawberries. Right now we have to mix this properly. Right now the mixing is done. Right now it's time for the serving. So I'm going to take a glass and I'm going to take the spoon and put it inside. Now it's time for decoration. First I'm going to put a strawberry right here. Next I'm going to put them right here. Oh, it looks so mouth-watering. Right now it's time for the taste. You can see the texture. It is really good. If you like this recipe, please like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more. Also comment if you liked it a lot. Goodbye.